Good day everyone, my name is Sikorin and the reporter of Music and Dance Genre. So what is music and dance genre? The scope of musicology may be summarized as covering the study of history and phenomena of music, including form and notation, the lives of composers and performers, the development of musical instruments, and music theory like harmony, melody, and ethics. Dance and music is composed especially to facilitate or accompany dancing. It can be either a whole piece of part of a large musical agreements in terms of performance of a dance and music. What are the dance genre? Dance genre is simply a certain type of dance, different kinds of dance style, including ballet, modern dance, hip hop, and diverse folk dance from around the world, such as flamenco, baranga, and samba. Overview on the study of music. Music is the universal language of people around the globe. Paper 2014, men and women, young and old, rich and poor, all of us do have sense of recognition and appreciation as regards this wonderful creation of art, the world of music. The study of music, often called music explore the building blocks and principles that make up music. It's like learning the grammar and vocabulary of a language, helping you understand how music is structured and how it works. Studying music can help you appreciate music more deeply, understand how music makes you feel, and even create your own music. The brief history of music. Do you have any idea where music was born? Who do you think were the men behind the origin of music? What were the ancient musical instruments being used? Who were the famous composers with their respective work in each music period? This question will be addressed as we explore the particular chapter. The European content was the epicenter of art. All the well-known painters, sculptors, architects, writers, and musicians come from this side of the world. These are the example of history of music. Painting, the creation of Adam, architecture, Colosseum in Rome, and also sculpture, the Tinker Man, or the Tinker. This is the 12 purpose of music in its repertory. First, praise and worship. Second, dance. Third, theater. Fourth, tribal. Next, birthday, burial, concerts, show and gigs, fiesta, wedding, election, and competition. So those are the purpose of music. There are six purpose of music. First is music for religious purpose. Music is used to praise and worship in the most domination. This exemplified by the song Lead Me Lord. For adoration of God, seeing for the right direction helps people to calm their minds and focus before meditation. Para hindi sila nadidistract kaya the music helps people connect with the teachings of the religions and with God. The second one is music for entertainment. The success of entertainment is dependent of music. For the third reason, music is used for distance. He said music is complementary with dance for entertainment. Trumpet dance is one of its example. There are variety ways music is used for entertainment. Halimbawa, ang pagpunta ng mga banda sa mga tour na nagreresulta sa pagpunta ng mga tao sa concert. People go to see musical and shows that is music entertainment. Next is music for tribal identity. Tribal communities use music in the rituals and ceremonial practice as component of their cultural tradition. This is the seventh reason when music is used in their ritual dance like the babana. Tribal music refers to musical forms and practice of mga katutubo or native group. Their participation and often tied of cultural rituals, storytelling, and social identity. The fourth one is music for socio-cultural occasion. The use of music in sociocultural occasion is obvious. It is joyful, celebrate during the celebration of fiestas, weddings, and burials. Like weddings, nagpapatugtog sila ng love song to the couple para may happy and kilig moment sila for their weddings. Fifth is music for political campaign. Music is used to increase political patronage and assurance to win the election. During the campaign periods, political candidates use musical jingles and chants to attract followers and supporters in order to get elected. Like the presidential election, every political have their own jingles like BBM. Ang jingle niya ay Bagong Pilipinas, Bagong Muka. May serbisyong may isang salita pero nagmahal ng mga bilihin. That is the example of music political campaign. The last one is music for earning prestige. Enhancing one's talents in music offers a lot of windows of opportunities. Individuals join various singing competition to get their luck, like joining the American Idol or Idol Philippines. Music is like a special skill that can open doors and gain recognition. It's not just about making music, but about mastering it to a level that impress others. Music for earning prestige is about dedication, talent, and drive to excel. So that's the end of my report. Thank you.